Hi everyone, good morning. Hope you're doing good, staying safe as I am. Let me give a quick introduction about myself. This is Ranjita. I'm a working professional. I'm working as a project manager in a reputed company. I'm taking online tuitions and as well as I'm an home tutor. I'm taking tuitions for all the standard up to 12th for all the subjects for every board, IB, State Board, Metric, CBSE, IGCSE, ICSE, etc. So let's not waste the time. We'll get into the topic now. I'm going to take algebraic expression basics, not the full intense part of the algebraic expression. I'm going to give a slight touch up on the basics alone, which is very simple and easy to understand on the basic of algebraic expression. Let's get started with the definition first. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is nothing but a combination of mathematical expression. Variable, constant and coefficient. Right? So you can ask me, what is mathematical expression? Mathematical expression is nothing but everyone knows division, subtraction, multiplication, addition. Then what is meant by variable? Variable is simple. Variable is a letter that is represented by the number. For example, 5x. Here 5 is a number, x is a variable. And what is constant? Constant term is nothing but a number which doesn't change. What is coefficient then? Coefficient is a number which is multiplied or divided by a variable. For example, 6x plus 5. Here 6x plus 5, which 6 is the coefficient which is multiplied to the variable x. So 6 is a coefficient. Okay. So next we are going to see about the term. Terms in expression. What is term in an expression? So term is nothing but a term is a part of algebraic expression that is added or subtracted. For example, 5x plus 6 minus 4. So these are the terms. These are the three terms. 5x plus 6 minus 4. Right? So what do you mean by like terms then? Like terms is very simple. Like terms who have the same variable raised to the same power. So you can see the expression towards my right hand side screen. There is called 5x plus 6 minus 4x. So in that expression you can see the like terms who have raised the same variable to the same power, which is 5x and 4x. So these are the terms, expressions, these are the basic definitions in the algebra. And as well as it have other variable expressions like monomial, binomial, polynomial and expansions. All of us know a basic expansion. A plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly for the subtraction as well. A minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these are the expansions. You know what is my monomial, right? Monomial is very simple, which have only one term. Binomial is 2. Polynomial is more than one term. So these are the basic which you have to know about algebra. What is algebraic expression? These are the basic definition and expansions. With this formula only, with this expansions only, we will be able to do the algebra in detail. you can see some of the basic expression towards my right hand side screen. So here it is given 7x plus 5x, which is a normal addition with a variable. So 7x plus 5x, you already know, that is 12x. And second sum, you can see 5 plus 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 0, which is equal to 7. It's a combination of mathematical expression where you have to add 5 plus 2 first, which is 7. Then you have to minus, that is 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is nothing but 1. So 7 into 1 equal to 7. Next, here it is given 4m minus 6m plus 2n minus n. 4m minus 6m is minus 2m, right? Why? Because the greater number has the negative symbol, that is negative sign. So while subtracting it, you have to mention the bigger number's sign. So 4 minus 6m is minus 2m. Then 2n minus n. So you know already, if a variable doesn't contain a number, it's already 1. So 2n minus n is only n. So here the bigger number sign has the positive sign, which is plus. So you will be writing it as minus 2m plus n. Correct? Next, division symbol is given 8z divided by 4z. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So answer will be 2z. So next we'll move on to solve for x sum, which is very easy and very simple. Here I have two sums, which is addition and another one is subtraction. I'll teach you how to find the x value. Okay, so here towards my right hand side screen, first sum is addition, which is 18 plus 2x equals to 24, right? So what you have to do is, first keep 2x as it is and take the 18 towards your right hand side. So when it comes towards the right hand side, it will become minus. Okay, since it is a positive number, when it comes towards your right hand side, it will become a negative number. So 24 minus 18 will be what? 6. So 2x equals to 6. Next step, what you're going to do is, you're going to take the 2 towards your right hand side in a division. Okay, since it is along with the variable, you will, when it comes towards your right hand side, it will become a division. So x equals to 6 divided by 2. So in 2 table, it goes for 3, right? So 2 3s is 6. Correct? So x value is nothing but 3. Got it? So next sum is, we'll go for subtraction. So 4x minus 3 equal to 21 is given. It's very simple. Similarly, what we did for addition, we are going to do for the subtraction. So 4x, keep as it is. Take this minus 3 towards your right hand side, which will become plus 3. So 21 plus 3 is nothing but 24. And as usual, you know that 4x is a single variable. When it comes to right hand side, it will become a division. So 4x equals to 24, whereas x equals to 24 divided by 4. In 4 table, it goes for 6. So 4 6 is nothing but 24. So the x value will be 6. Next we'll move on to expansion, that is expansion and simplify. As I said, it's very easy and simple sum. So what is expansion? Expanding the algebraic expression. So here first sum is given as 2 open bracket x plus 2 close bracket plus 4 open bracket x plus 1 close bracket. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the number inside the bracket and you are going to find the equation. Okay, so we will multiply 2 inside the bracket first. So 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 2 is 4. So equation will be 2x plus 4. Next I am going to multiply the 4 inside the bracket, which is 4 into x is 4x. 4 into 1 is 4. So 4x plus 4 will be your second equation. So all together we'll add it. So I'm going to add the variable, then constant term separately. You should not add as it is like 2x plus 4. It can't be added. So first you have to add the variables. So 2x then 4x. So these both are variables, right? So I'm going to add both. 2x plus 4x is 6x. 4 plus 4 is 8, which is the constant term. So we got the equation as 6 plus 8. Correct? So second sum similarly, which is given 2 open bracket x minus 3 close bracket plus 3 open bracket x plus 3 close bracket. Similarly, we'll multiply the 2 and as well as 3 and we'll find the equation. So I'm going to multiply 3 inside the bracket, which is 2 into x is 2x minus 2 into 3 is 6. So your first equation is 2x minus 6 plus 3 into x is 3x plus 3 3s are is 9. So 3x plus 9. Similarly, we'll be adding the variable separately and constant term separately. So variable is 2x and 3x. So 3x, 2x is nothing but adding together 5x. Then minus 6 plus 9 is given. So while subtracting it, I'll be getting 3. But you have to mention the symbol as positive sign because the bigger number has the positive sign. So plus 3. So your equation will be 5x plus 3. Got it? Here we go with the last sum, which is evaluating the expression. It is also a basic and algebraic expression chapter. So here the first sum is given as 2 open bracket x plus y close bracket for x is equals to 4, y is equals to 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to evaluate, you're going to substitute the x value and the y value in the given equation. Okay. So 2 open bracket, in the place of x I'll be writing 4, which is the given value, and I'll be writing 5 in the place of y. So 2 into 4 plus 5 close bracket. Next step is, what is 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 is nothing but 9. So 2 into 9 is 18. Some students might take it as a wrong. What they will do is they will multiply the 2 into inside the bracket. They will multiply 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 5 is 10. So 10 plus 18. It's not actually the correct method to do. First you have to add it, then you have to multiply and you have to find the value. So next sum is given 4 open bracket 2x minus y is given. What you're going to do is x value is 2 and y value is 3. Similarly, you're going to find the value 4 into 2. In the place of x, I'm going to write it as 2 minus in the place of y, I'm going to write it as 3. So 4 into 2 2s are is 4 minus 3. So 4 into 4 minus 3 will be your value. So 4 minus 3, what is the answer? 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. Correct? So hope you guys learn some algebraic expression basic. Not so intense, but almost. I've taught you what are the expansion, expression and how to write the algebraic expression. equation, how to solve it, the basic cover of the algebra. Hope it will be very useful for you to grasp it and learn. Okay, so do good, be good, stay safe.